Amelia, what are you doing? You want to give a smile? You want to give a smile?